Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to trade SPX on Robinhood, a full guide for 2025. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for simplifying stock market moves. The S&P 500, or SPX, is a benchmark index tracking 500 of the largest U.S. companies, making it a fantastic way to invest in the overall market without picking individual stocks. With Robinhood's user-friendly platform, trading SPX has never been easier, but let's break it down step by step so you can get started confidently. First things first, make sure you have a Robinhood account set up. If you don't, download the app, sign up, and verify your identity. It's quick and free. Once you're in, fund your account using a bank transfer or debit card. Now, head to the search bar and type in SPX, or look for SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, SPY, which is a popular way to trade SPX on Robinhood since it mirrors the index. Next, decide on your trade type. For beginners, start with buying shares of SPY. Set your investment amount, choose market or limit orders, and hit Buy. Remember, SPX trading often involves options for more advanced strategies, like calls or puts, which allow you to bet on price movements without owning the actual stocks. In 2025, with market volatility on the rise due to economic shifts, always use Robinhood's tools to set stop-loss orders to protect your investments. Keep an eye on fees. Robinhood is commission-free, but watch out for any premium costs on options. Monitor your positions through the app's charts and news feeds to stay informed on market trends. Pro tip: diversify your portfolio and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Trading SPX can be thrilling, but it's not without risks like market downturns or regulatory changes in 2025. Always do your research and consider consulting a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Happy trading!